What's up everybody, this is Colin from Debru. In this video I'm going to show you what the quality of traffic is like on Zeropark. As you might know, we have run dozens and dozens of campaigns on Zeropark and we're really satisfied with the quality of the traffic. However, with these amounts of volumes Zeropark provides, you must follow a good strategy to make sure you get the high quality traffic. So what I did was I went to zeropark.com, where I am right now, and I click on the traffic calculator. I just want to show you some examples of the options available. So even only for push, they have crazy amount of clicks available per month. For pop and for domain redirect is even more crazy. So let's say for push, I only want to target mobile and I only want to target Android phones. I already target it down. Then I decide to only go for the United States. And here you have a good overview of what all is available. The thing is, with this amount of volume, there's one big rule you need to know. To determine the right quality of traffic for your specific offer, there are different specifics into targeting. You can do run on network, which would be displayed as run. You could do target source traffic or source traffic. So for source traffic, you would need a whitelist. A whitelist provided by somebody, which means these are the sources highly likely to convert for your specific offer. A target would mean these are the targets within the source that are highly likely to convert. So it goes run on network, sources, and then targets. If you have the targets, you're so much closer to the goal because you do not have to test the entire network to find the sources, test the sources, and then find the specific targets. If you do not have the targets and you do not have a whitelist of the source, then you need to start with run on network. Run on network with this kind of volume-based traffic requires a large testing budget. In the beginning, you might find sources that have shit traffic, which basically means they do not convert for your offer. They're either spam clicks or bot clicks or shit clicks, all in all, and it does not work. So what you would do in that scenario, you would use rule-based optimization within the Zeropark dashboard to cut out these low-performing sources and targets as soon as possible. Therefore, the traffic quality on Zeropark is good. We've tested it. We've done thousands of conversions with Zeropark, thousands upon thousands upon thousands, no issues at all. However, with this kind of volume traffic, you can say that a traffic network like Zeropark can never guarantee 100% quality traffic. Why? Because affiliates are different, copies are different, geos are different, databases are different, and publishers are different. All in all, these different elements will make sure that there might be some bot clicks, that there might be some spam clicks. That's why the traffic is so cheap. You need to focus to make it your responsibility to test properly. Test run on network, use RBO, rule-based optimization on Zeropark to filter out those shit sources, move then to a list of good sources that make conversions and then optimize based on targets. That's how you get high quality traffic. So if you would ask me right now, does Zeropark have high quality traffic that makes money? My answer is yes. Explore it for yourself, zeropark.com.
Are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dice University. Dice University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dice University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.